I'm going to kind of do like a little bit of a walking tour. I'm actually going to walk from the gate here just as you come into Mexico and go to Revolución, so follow me along. And as soon as you come out, you're going to make a right and go up across this bridge. Now if you see this line right here, this line is actually the line to go back into the United States, so to give you an idea how long it is. This is called the border weight line. Wow, that is long. Goes all the way back there. There it is. Wow. And even stretches out over here. Oh, you can see the line over there. It still circles around. Now there is the traffic going into the United States, and you can see this is the end of the line right there to go for pedestrian wise. Now one thing you don't want to do is walk around here at night. I highly suggest that if you're coming back to the border, back to the United States in the night, take a taxi, a bus. It is very dangerous around here. A lot of stuff happens. And there's more traffic going into the gate. You see all the souvenirs being sold down here. Unbelievable. Looks right alongside the road, and there is the border. Here there's a sign that says Centro, head west. What we're going to do is make a right. Now you don't usually have to go on the other side of the road there. There's really no place to walk. Just stay on this side. I'm heading into Revolución, where the arch is. Easy to see this parking garage, easy park. So we come up here, we're gonna make a right at this intersection. Like I say, you don't even need to go over there. There's really no place to walk. Not much of a sidewalk. Make our way across the street, and you can either go through there or go to the right, but that's where we're going, right over here. Crossover. Now you can either go down this way or this way. I'm heading along this side. see all the shops. It's a little bit early in the morning. Like I say, I took the trolley from La Jolla, and it took about an hour to get down here. And we're heading over to that arch you can see in the distance. There's a sign. Zona Centro. Downtown, 17 minutes. And right now there's, like I say, not really much going on. And about this bridge coming up, this is one area that you do not want to be crossing at night. It is very dangerous. Highly suggest if you come back at night, take a taxi back, Uber or whatever. I'm just saying, okay? That's just what I know. Always be vigilant when you're walking around. Now, coming up to the bridge, it's pretty empty around here. Not really anything going on in this prior to coming up here. So that's what I mean by nighttime. This can be a real bad area. Tijuana is known as one of the most deadliest cities in the world, and also that border crossing is one of the busiest in the world. And you see the sign, very well marked. Highly recommend use this walkway if you do come through here at night. Do not use the stairs. So here is the bridge. This is the one that is very dangerous, although they do have some guard checkpoints, but I don't see anybody in them, and I doubt they're even used. And coming across the Tijuana River. Now that traffic is just coming into Mexico right here. And this is a really bad river. It has a lot of sewage in it. And this is the problem over there in Imperial Beach. When you get big rains, all this water goes into the ocean, and then they have to shut it down because it's contaminated. But we haven't had a lot of rain lately, so it's not that bad. So take a look at this river. It's like there's something going on down there. Not sure what. And on the other side you have another guard shack, which nobody's in it. Maybe they come here at night, I don't know. So thank you very much for following along on my video here in TJ. So it's early in the morning, so not really a lot of activity. There is the other one. So I just came across. Yeah, so coming down the other walkway on the other side, see that little park right here, making our way to the arch. Got these little stores. There's the arch. You can see it there in the background. Got little shops. A lot of places for dental around here. A lot of people come down here for medical tourism, and getting dental work is a big deal. Just coming across the bridge, and there's a sign over there, and you can see it. It says San Diego, United States, and this is what you arrive at once you come across that bridge. I'm gonna head to the the sign. They keep you updated. There's the police. And like, come back through here later when you got a lot more opened up. This is what's going on right now. Main road. Downtown Tijuana. Dentist. Plenty of those around. And this is the wax museum. And that's a major tourist place here in Tijuana. If I have time, maybe I'll visit. Where I came from. Plenty of pharmacies around here. You notice all the dental places are like right here, not far from the border. Makes it really convenient. And I come over here by this sign. I've always wanted to see this. This is kind of like a Centro Tijuana monument. Let's take a look at that. Got a little bar going. And there is a big map, which is kind of show you where I am at. I'm way up there. In Tijuana. And this is the monument. Very neat. So this is Revolución that I'm on now. Give you an idea what's out here. Everything's pretty well marked. So I just made it to my hotel from coming from the Pet East Gate there at the border crossing, and kind of gave a little bit of a tour coming here. I'm actually at my hotel now, which is Hotel Caesars, and it's really nice to be here. It's on Revolución, kind of centrally located. So this is the end of this video, and more to come in beautiful Tijuana, Mexico. So see ya.